Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and my Facebook page. Today we're going to do a soft grey smoky eye look, for which I'm going to use these colored lenses that brings the look out. I'm going to mattify the top of my eyes with a compact or a powder. First we'll do the eye makeup and then the rest of the face. Take a grey eyeshadow, any kind of a grey eyeshadow, any kind of a brand. Make sure you tap off the extra product or it will fall on your face, and then go right in and dab it on. Dab it on by making sure that the part which is closest to your lash is the darkest, and slowly go up till your crease line. Do this with layers so that the color gets darker, but always tap off the extra product from your brush so that it doesn't get patchy. This tapping off of the extra product from the brush, especially when it comes to eyeshadows, goes for every eyeshadow you use. Do the same with the other eye. Follow the techniques and please use brands of your own choice. If you do want to use the same products as me, they are captioned in the video and you can find them on Nykaa, Tira Beauty or Sephora, and some of them also on Amazon. Just type in the exact name that I have captioned here, and the reason I don't share links is because they expire in a month. Now the grey eyeshadow part is done. Now go in with a black eyeshadow and a very soft brush. Of course, tap off the extra product. Now start using it on the corner. Make the strokes from outside to inside, and then whatever's left on the brush, take it up to the crease line. This step is going to give you a shading that will make the grey eyeshadow pop. Do the same with the other eye. Always take less product and blend it in till there are no harsh lines. Now take a dark brown eyeshadow and this will go into your crease so that it really blends out well. The look has to be dark to light and we need to now start softening it. Do blend with patience. Without blending, the look will not have the impact that it should. Now take a even lighter brown eyeshadow and do the same. Keep blending. You don't have to exactly buy this palette. You can get a brown, a dark brown, a black, a grey in many brands. Just follow the techniques and the steps and your look will be perfect. Do the same with the other eye and keep blending patiently. Dust off any extra eyeshadow that must have fallen on the face. And now we're going to prep the skin. I'm going to moisturize my skin before makeup as usual. I don't always use a primer because it blocks the pores, but if you need to keep your makeup for very long, go for it. I'm going for some liquid foundation today, exactly 2 drops. Blend it out well. Some people like to use concealer after, some people like to use it before. It doesn't make a difference as long as it works for you and the look falls into place. There's no rules with makeup as long as you like what you see in the mirror. Now I'm going to use a little bit of concealer and blend it out. I always set my eyebrows with a gel so that they stay in place. If you need to draw them, go for it. Now take a clean brush and just blend out the eyeshadow till all the harsh lines are gone. Just use any soft eyeshadow brush for this step. Now for the lower eyes. Go back in with your grey and a pencil brush and line the outer lower lash line. We're not going to come all the way in. This way the eyes will look bigger. Pencil brushes are available in various brands. Just type in pencil brush and pick your own choice. Now use a nude kohl or a nude kajal on your waterline. The one I'm using is by Rimmel, which is not available anymore, so I have suggested another one. Complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. I'm not someone for falsies or false eyelashes at a regular basis. It just doesn't look natural. A good mascara will do the job. I like using a powder-based contour for daily makeup, and with a soft brush, if you apply it this way, the whole look will turn out to be quite soft. For the nose, use the same brush, just flatten it and apply it on the two sides and you're sorted. I always fill out and line my lips with a nude lip liner. This makes the lipstick stay longer and gives you an even surface to work on. Make sure you've used a lip balm before makeup. Because the eyes are so prominent, I want to keep it prominent, so my lipstick will be nude. So I'm using a brown lip liner to define my lips so that my nude lipstick does not look washed out. Use a nude lipstick of your choice. I love a good blush. A nice soft blush can really change the makeup and make it look really glam. I have dry skin, so I go for cream blushes. If you have oily skin, you can go for a powder blush. Take your Studio Fix or a loose powder and apply it in the places that are needed. I don't like baking because it looks a little loud and makes my skin look more dry. I'm going to complete my makeup with some highlighter. I do makeup in very simple steps which are also very easy for beginners. Hope it's helping. Do give them a try and I promise your makeup life will be super easy. Do follow and subscribe. Subscribe on YouTube and find all the other makeup videos in the playlist My Daily Makeup, and on Facebook you'll find it on Makeover Madness. It's about what suits you. I'll see you with a very easy makeup look soon. Take care.